In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a workspace in Monday.com, a handy tool for managing your projects and teams. Let's dive into it and make your workflow even more efficient by simplifying this process. First, you'll want to start from your Monday.com homepage. This is where you'll see all the workspaces that you have access to. If you're looking at a busy homepage with lots of options, don't worry. I'll guide you through selecting the right workspace to duplicate. Next, you need to choose a workspace that you want to duplicate. This could be a workspace that contains projects, boards, or any setup you want to replicate for another task, team, or purpose. So, carefully select the one that matches your needs. Once you've selected the appropriate workspace, take a close look at the upper section of the workspace name. You'll notice 3 small dots located on the side. These dots are essentially a menu button that, when clicked, opens up a drop-down menu. It's a simple but powerful feature, often overlooked. In this drop-down menu, one of the options you'll see is entitled Duplicate. When you click on Duplicate, you're instructing Monday.com to make a copy of the entire workspace, maintaining all its structures and properties. Don't worry, this won't affect your original workspace. It remains just as it was, intact and unchanged. After clicking Duplicate, you'll be given the chance to rename this new workspace. It's crucial to give it a name that accurately reflects its purpose or content. A clear title helps when trying to distinguish it from other workspaces, ensuring you and your team can identify it without confusion. Beyond simply renaming, you also have the flexibility to choose what specific elements of the workspace you wish to duplicate. Perhaps you're only interested in the task boards, or maybe the team collaboration tools are all you need in the copy. Monday.com allows for this customization so you can decide precisely what gets carried over into the new workspace. Finally, once all these choices are set, your workspace name is updated, and the desired items to duplicate are chosen. Just click on Duplicate again to finalize the process. And there you have it, a new workspace, mirroring your selected elements from the original, ready for use. Duplicating a workspace in Monday.com is simple yet versatile, offering you the chance to expand and organize your projects with ease without having to start from scratch every time. Try it out and see how it can enhance your project management experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.